What's going on, guys? It's Crazy for Coins here. I'm going to be doing a week 7 of trading update. Also, I'm going to be doing the question, what will be your New Year's resolution? And Happy New Year, guys. So, the only trade I did, and you could see the general theme here week after week, is I have not been trading much. So, I've been really picky, which is semi good thing. Although I have been missing some trades just because I feel I'm not prepared, meaning that I'm not getting. I still have not been able to get up on time like I should, and I just don't. I need to start making a list, guys. I need to start making a list of all the patterns and stuff that I'm looking to trade and getting a better organized system because it is costing me a couple of trades. But the only trade I did, guys, today, not today, but last week, was it's not even worth I made like $3 on it. It's nothing. But the reason why I only made $3, guys, is because I bought 80 IL at 951 ish, but I quickly sold um, almost immediately after I bought, a couple minutes after I bought, because I just didn't feel comfortable, guys, because the bottom right was the 620s and I paid 640. So my thinking is that it's going to retest high of day or 7. So I was ultimately ideally looking at 630. So at 630 I'd be risking 15, 20 cents a share to try to make 70 cents a share, which is a pretty good risk reward. And the reason for why I did this trade, like I said, is because while it didn't hold the VWAP that I always talk about, it did dip around that exact same time that I like for a hold. Meaning, I like stocks that run up like this, then they drop around like 10 o'clock ish because it seems to be working. So overall, this it's not the exact pattern, but the dip buying pattern around 10 o'clock has been working. I don't have, again, I still don't have enough data to definitely say, oh yeah, this is definitely, highly recommend this pattern. But it is a pattern that seems to, the limited amount of time that I've been tracking, has been working. So overall, this trade, my theory anyway, worked. And the majority of my theories, guys, um, even though I have not been banking on it, um, I am on the right track because the limited amount of trades that I have done, especially recently, have been really good. So this 640, guys, from 640, it ran to like 730, 720 something. So you're looking at close to $1 a share. And the exact same thing, if you go back to UXIN, I was looking for a bounce, didn't happen, but I did at the time get right near the bottom. It's just the market was ugly, and just it is what it is. Sometimes you're not, you're right, but you're not right. But that's the beauty of trading, just to cut losses quickly, just to recognize when you're wrong. Even though maybe your mindset was correct, you entered the right time, meaning that you didn't chase the stock and you bought the stock when you were supposed to. But sometimes even, in stock market, it's imperfect. So even if a pattern's working 80% of the time, you know, there is that time that it's not going to work. You just have to admit it and cut your losses quickly. All right, guys. So that's the trading update. And now I'm going to be doing what is your, what is your New Year's resolution, guys? So what are you guys planning on doing with stacking silver? Are you planning to add to your positions significantly? Are you planning to save up more cash? Do you plan on getting more gold? Do you plan on getting maybe pre-33 gold? Do you plan on, there's so many different things. So what are you guys planning on doing as far as that? And also any other New Year's resolutions? So right now, the New Year's resolutions that I have, guys, um, is A, and I don't really talk about it too much. I need to post more video topics on it, but I want to get a six pack, guys. I have the four pack right now, meaning abs, um, but I still have a little bit too much fat around my midsection. I was doing well. I was doing well on my diet for a good about 2 or 3 weeks, and on my diet food for about a month and a half, until I cheated Christmas Eve. Um, but I was doing well. I'm not going to recommend this, guys, but I actually did a dry fast, which meant that I literally ate no food and drank no water for like 20, 21 hours. And when I mean no water, guys, I meant that I didn't even take a shower. I didn't even wash my hands. It's funny because I actually had my dad go downstairs, take the stuff out of the washing machine, and put it in the dryer for me so I don't have to touch the clothes. Yeah. But yeah, I actually tried that. It does work, guys. I'll get a little bit more into that maybe in another video, but it does work if you want to drop some weight. Again, I do not recommend it, especially if you've never done fasting before for long periods of time. I would highly not recommend it. Um, so that would be my one goal, is to stay on diet, which means that I'll be disciplined more in the market and everything else. Stay on diet, get the six pack, stay healthy, and just keep progressing with weights. Um, my second goal is to finally get profitable on the stock market. I've been doing the Timothy Sykes program, guys. If you're new or you tuned out or whatever not, I've been doing the Timothy Sykes program. This is my third year, or am I going into my third year? Oh my God! But anyway, it's been at least a couple of years. I believe this is year three of it. And I want to finally get profitable, guys. And in order to do that, I really need to put in the extra work. I know I'm close. Even though if any of you breeze through my videos, you know that my trades have been pathetic. My ideas recently have been much, much, much better. My trading has been much better. Um, it's just I need to learn how to capitalize on it. I'm getting closer. I just need to put in more effort into it. Um, so my goal with this trading ultimately is to be self-sufficient. I do not want to rely on a 9 to 5 job for my um, to bring the bacon home, guys. I want to generate my own income, and then I want to be able to branch off into real estate and other ventures, to diversify the revenue stream. So that's going to be that should be my first goal. My second goal would be to basically keep up my diet with my workout regimen. Now, my third goal is with precious metals is that I don't plan on adding too much more platinum, guys. You already know this, but for anybody who's new here, I don't plan on adding too much more platinum. I'm really close to my goal as it is. Silver wise, if it drops and we get one of those 15% off sales and it's cheap enough, I will buy, but probably not. I'm going to probably stick with buying gold, simply because the percentage below spot that you can get with gold is the best out of gold, silver, and platinum. So that is the specific reason why I'm focusing in on gold. And my other goal would be to pick up a side job again, because I really, in order to be able to buy more of these precious metals, guys, I need a side job. I need something coming in while I'm waiting for the market. Um, and ultimately, I'm going to be doing some shifting of assets, meaning I'm a lot of this stuff, guys. Um, I give it to my father. So even though, you see how much inventory I've been buying, um, a lot of it I get rid of, simply put, because I can't afford to keep it. Um, and I really like still doing it because it gives you that need, it satisfies that need for you to buy something new. So you're buying something but and you're rewarding yourself. So psychologically, you feel good about it. But at the same time, I'm selling it. So, I'm selling it, I'm getting rid of it, I'm moving it, doing whatever with it. Um, but again, like I said, I'm going to be getting rid of most of the stuff, but I'm kind of concentrate on gold. And if I get a job and if I get the market going, then I will probably hold on to more of my gold. Um, if let's say if I get a really good salary, a really good paying job, or I do really well in the market, then my goal probably what my goal would be is that probably every month I would look to pick up and hold a quarter ounce of gold. Um, when I mean a good paycheck, guys, I mean like $1,000. It's a good paycheck. It's not great, not bad. It's a good paycheck. Like $1,000 after taxes. So if I can get a job like that, $1,000 after taxes, you know, times 4 months, which is $4,000, then my goal, like I said, would be to buy a quarter ounce every month, a quarter ounce or maybe a half an ounce of gold every month, with the discount that eBay gives until eBay stops. If eBay stops doing it, guys, even if I'm a little bit ahead of myself with the precious metals, which is what I'm doing now, I don't have enough cash. Um, eBay, like I said, is not going to be doing this forever. Eventually, they're going to probably catch on. So I'd rather be taking advantage of these deals now and being a little bit ahead of myself with all the precious metals as far as my asset allocations go than to just stick to my plan, solely stick to my plan where I want X amount in precious metals, X amount of real estate, X amount in stock, and X amount in fiat. Um, so that would be that. Um, and I don't think I have any more New Year's Eve goals, guys. Um, Let me know in the comments section below if anybody has stayed watching this video for this long. Let me know in the comments section below what your New Year's resolutions are. It doesn't have to be coins. Like I said, it could be diet, could be exercise, maybe spending more time with your family, getting out of debt, uh, whatever it is. Um, and I want to also say thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for the 10 subscribers. I'm not looking with this channel. If the channel blows up, God bless it. But, I'll be happy if the channel, and I know I need to get better um, camera work and all that other mumbo jumbo, but I'll be happy with like 500,000 subscribers, guys. That would make me really happy. I don't need 100,000. I don't need a million. Um, so that's just my goal with this channel is just to continue to just put out content because I like doing it. It gives me a break um, from the stock market and just studying that I get to talk and occupy my time with this. Just a little mental break. All right, guys. Thank you again for the 10 subscribers. I'm really happy with that. Um, Obviously, I want more, and I need to work better to get more. But yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Try not to get drunk, and have a nice day.